after this.
I would like to congratulate the ICF for its 15th year anniversary. Nawa po ay marami pa po kayong mga kababayan at mga kaluluwang maaya sa kabutihan at divine grace ng ating Panginoon. Salamat.
Ayan, thank you po. And lastly, ayan, short message from Appointment Chairman, Reverend Chris Nino Ulzabe.
Prepare ako ng pang 30 minutes. In behalf of my family po, ng aming pong simbahan, the CFICC family, we would like to say congratulations, the ICF family. Malapit po sa akin ang simbahan ito. This family is really gives a very special thing, particularly po sa mission na ginagawa ko namin po sa Royal. So, maraming salamat for serving and maraming salamat for so many things, particularly sa mga missions na ginagawa mo, Pastor Ariel and Pastor Jessa. Panalangin ko na patuloy pa tayo maglingkod and more souls to harvest. Congratulations once again, guys.
Amen.